Okay, so here's the deal. I'm driving around, and fooling around with the radio. And I mean, any more of these cars are so freaking fancy, right? You've got your XM and your Sirius and your AM, FM, CDs, DVDs for crying out loud. And I'm down there trying to. Well, I don't like that song, and I'm trying to fool around, get the thing right. What do I want to listen to? So the next thing, what happens was I look up, the traffic is stopped. There's a freaking red light, and there's like freaking. I got 40 feet, man. Jump on the brake, scream, loud noise, sliding sideways, and I stop just in time not to hit that mofo in front of me, man. And I got to tell you, it was totally thought, and I thought I was cool. So I'm sitting there, kind of sideways, and thinking, all right, this is cool. And the next thing I know, little did I know, my freaking tires are setting off freaking smoke bombs behind me. So I'm sitting there thinking I'm cool, a little bit sideways, but then this big, humongous, freaking ass white cloud of freaking tire screech smoke just comes blowing past me, man. It is very hard to sit there and have that look like everything's cool and you're not responsible under those circumstances. The loud screech, the sideways position, the smoke. I'm telling you, man. Don't do it.